Okay, so in last class I said to you that algebra, that is the mystery of unknown. Unknown here are given in letters like x, y, and they are variables. Means their value depends on whether the value of x, when I will give, suppose I said to you that 2 more than x. 2 more than x means x plus 2. If x is 3, then 2 more than 3 is what? 5. But when x is not 3, it is suppose 6. Then 2 more than 6 is what? 2 more than 6 is 8. So what I said to you? 2 more than x. How I will write 2 more than x? That x plus 2. So that is what 2 more than x. Now what is its value? It depends on the value of x. X is a variable. Okay, it is unknown, it is a variable. When x is, suppose when x is 3, then this x plus 2 will be equal to how much? 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 at that time. But when x is suppose 7, at that time x plus 2 will be equal to how much? 7 plus 2 equal to 9. It means the value of this x plus 2 depends on the value of this variable x. If the value of x is 3, then this will be equal to 5. When value of x is 7, then this is 9. In the same way, when value of x is 10, then this will be 12. So this depends on the value of x. In the same way, suppose I said to you, find the value of 4a divided by 10. You have to find out the value of 4a divided by 10. But when a is equal to, suppose I have given to you a equal to 5. So at this time when a is 5, then the value of this is what? 4 into, instead of 8 will be 5 divided by 10. So that is equal to 5 2s are 10, 2 2s are 4. So it is 2. But the same 4a by 10 value, because a is variable, not necessary that a is whatever is given to you, accordingly you will write. Suppose a is given to you 20. Okay. So at that time the value of this number will be 4 into 20 divided by 10. Because 4a, algebra, here nothing means it is multiplication. So 4 into 20 divided by 10. So 10 2s are 20, that is equal to 8. So the value of this, that 4a by 10 depends on the value of a. When a is 5, then 4a by 10 is equal to 2. And when a is equal to 20, then 4a by 10 is 8. Now suppose this is given that a by b divided by c, you have to find it out. What is the sum? A b divided by c. Find the value of this. And a is given to you when a is 5, b is equal to 6, and c is equal to 10. What you have to do? You have to find out the value of this AB by C. When A is equal to 5, B is equal to 6, C is equal to 10. So what I will do? I will substitute A with 5, B with 6, and C with 10. Then whatever the value I will get, that will be the value of AB by C. So A, instead of A, I will write 5. And this is AB, nothing means it is multiplication sign. And B is what? 6 divided by C is 10. So it is 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja. So 2 1 and 2 3. So this is equal to 3. So your answer will be 3. So when A is 5, B is 6 and C is 10, at that time AB divided by C will be 3. AB divided by C will be 3. Now I'm taking another sum that it is given, suppose x divided by 3 plus 8y. You have to find out the value of this. X here it is given to you when x is 24. If x is 24 and y is equal to 2, then you have to find out what? Find out the value of this. If x is 20, this x 24, this y is 2. So now what you will do? You will substitute the value of x and y in this expression. So it is x is what? X is 24. So I'll write instead of x 24 divided by 3 plus 8. Here it is into, it means y is 2. So I will write here what? 2. Okay. So equal to sign, because this is equal to this, equal to 3 1 ja 3 divided by 3 is 1 and 24 divided by 3 is 3 8 ja 24. So 8 by 1. You know that when denominator is with 1, we don't have to write. We will not write. Only 8. 8 by 1 is 8 plus 8 2 ja 16. Okay. So that is equal to 16 plus 8. That is equal to 24. So x by 3 plus 8y is equal to 24 when x is equal to 24 and y is 2 given to you. Next sum is, the sum is that p plus 6q divided by 5p minus 3q. If it is given p is equal to 6, q is equal to 2. Okay. All of you think? I'll wait just for a few minutes. What you have to do? P plus 6q divided by 5p minus 3q. If p is equal to 6, q is equal to 2. So what you will do? You will substitute the value of p and q. Replace pq by 6 and 2 respectively, because p is 6 given and q is equal to 2 given. So I will replace the value. Instead of p, I will write 6 plus this 6 then, and then 6q means here it is what? Into. So into. Q is 2. I'll write here 2. Divided by 5 into p. P is 6. Minus 3 into q is what? 2. Okay. So that is equal to 6 plus 6 into 2, 12. Divided by 5 6 ja 30 minus 3 2 is 6. Then 6 plus 12 is 18. Divided by 30 minus 6, that is 24. Now this is divisible by 6, this also. So this 6 3 is 18, 6 4 are HCF. 6 is the HCF of this and divisible by the 6. So 6 3 is 18 and 6 4 are. So that is equal to 3 divided by 4 is the answer. So it means p plus 6q divided by 5p minus 3q is equal to 3 by 4. When p is 6 and q is 2. But if you will say that p is 5, q is 3, then the answer will be different. Because the value of the variable is not this, that is different. When the variable value will be different, then the total answer of this or the value of this whole thing will be different. Last sum I am doing. Okay. It is written here x square divided by 9 plus z square divided by 25. We have to find out the value of this. If it is given x is equal to 3 comma z is equal to 5. X3 given and z5 given, you have to find out the value of this whole thing. Okay. So x is 3. So I will replace x with 3. Substitute the value of x. 3 and a square is there, it means here it is the square, divided by 9 plus z, z is 5. So 5 square divided by 25. Okay. That is equal to, I think you know 3 square means 3 into 3. 5 square means 5 into 5. When here it is the power of 2 is there, 3 to the power 2 means 3 square, that means 3 into 3. 5 square means 5 into 5. Okay. Suppose I write here 15 square. You know what is it? 15 square means 15 into 15. 6 square, that is equal to 6 into 6. So, okay. So, here what will happen? 3 square means I will write here 3 into 3 divided by 9 plus 5 square means 5 into 5 divided by 25. Okay. Now 3 into 3, that is equal to what? 3 into 3 is 9 divided by this 9 plus 5 into 5, 25 divided by 25. Now 9 divided by 9 is 1, 25 divided by 25 is also 1. So that is equal to 2. Okay. So 2. Okay, one more sum. That is what? It is 6 in the bracket. Okay, next page. Better to do here. This is the question. Next question is that 6 into x plus 3y minus 5z minus x in the bracket. Okay. So here it is given if what? X is equal to, given to you 3, y is equal to 2, comma z is equal to 5. This value, these, the value of x, y, z provided to you, then you have to find out the value of this. It means substitute x with 3, y with 2 and z with 5. Okay. So 6 is here, this sum, 6 here. Instead of x, what I will write? 3 plus 3 instead of y, 2. So into 2 minus bracket 5 into z, z is 5 minus x, x is what? 3. So equal to sign here. Must write here equal because this is equal to this and now this is equal to this. So 6, 3 plus 3 to the 6. I know that within the bracket first I will do the BODMAS rule. So accordingly division first, then multiplication, then plus. So multiplication first I will do this multiplication 6 and then 3 minus here multiplication is there. So 5 5s are 25 minus 3 bracket still it is here. Now this 6 into 9 minus 25 minus 3 is 22 equal to this bracket sign means it is multiplication. Bracket sign is there 6 and here bracket means this into this. If plus sign is there, no sign is there means multiplication. So 9 6 are 54 minus 22. You can open the bracket. So that is, so 254 minus 22 is 30. So this is the answer. So this how you will do, how will you find out the value of algebraic expression when the unknown or the variable value is given to you? Then you can calculate the value of the expressions provided to you. I think now you can do sums from your book. So do rest of the sums just now. Okay.